In the next episode, everyone will believe Sarhat is dead, but his disappearance will actually be a careful planned escape. Knowing that Hakam will man or follow him, Sarhat will create evidence of his own health and hide in an old greatest house outside Bodrum. Only Ras will receive a clue, a torn page from a children book that they once discussed. Ras will understand that the location but keep it secret because he no longer who he can trust. Layla will notice him leaving the orphanage came at night and follow him. Dennis will follow Layla while Tuman follow Dennis then turning one secret journey into a chain of hidden observer. When Aras reaches the guest house, Sarhad will explain that revealing the truth too early could place them in immediate danger. He will say the Kaya family did not simply adopt a lost child. Someone changed the child identity because the boy had witnessed something after the accident. Aras will demand to know Tioman is damaged. Sarhad will answer that every sign point to him, but one final record is missing before he can describe it. Tioman will enter and hear enough to understand that they are speaking about him. He will attack Sarhad, believing this is another manipulation. Aras will stop him, and the brother will fight the years of pain. Fully understand Layla and Dennis will step between them. Dennis will tell Tioman that fear is controlling him, while Layla tell Aras that forcing the truth will not make Tioman ready to accept it. The emotional conflict will be interrupted when Ram men surround the guest house. Sarhad will reveal a hidden passage used long ago by fishermen, allowing the young people to escape, but he will stay behind to destroy the document that could lead the attacker to the orphan children. Aras will refuse to leave him. Sarhad will say that protecting Damir is the only way he can protect his past. During the escape, Tuman will save Layla from falling, and Aras will save Dennis, showing that the group can survive. Only when they stop acting as rival, later they will discover that Sarhad secretly plays a memory card inside the torn book page. It contains a video record year ago by the hospital doctor. The picture is damaged, but a woman's voice can be heard offering the staff not to register them under a new name. Everyone will amuse the voice belonged to Sibnam. However, Layla will listen again and recognize a different person.